We've all seen drawers that look like this. And while I might mostly know what's in here, if I want to find something specific, it's going to take me a while, and I'm going to need to do some digging. And I might lose something forever. The solution is a drawer organization system. Ta-da! Look at that! Now there's lots of ways to divide up a drawer, but I really like this lock-align system because it's more than just drawer dividers. It's a whole modular system that's based around three main components. These flexible, no-slip trays line the bottom of the drawer and feature dividers that easily lock together with other trays. They're available in two widths, and you can cut them with the scissors. The back of each tray features a cutting guide grid that allows you to extend a row of trays and maintain the bin and divider alignment. So it's easy to customize to fit any space. Next, these bins are the perfect little containers to hold all the small supplies that are around your shop. They fit and lock securely in the tray and can easily be removed to go with you to the workbench or even a job site. Finally, these dividers can be added to create all the custom-sized storage areas you want in each tray. I really love how easy it is to create custom configurations with this system. And the design of it allows you to even utilize shallow drawers like in this mechanics cart or in a cabinet. Right now this system is available in a starter kit, but you can get additional bins and dividers and even a wide tray. But the best thing is, this is just the beginning. I'm told that there are new products being designed for this right now, and they'll be coming out soon. So keep your eyes open.